okay. It's not too late to record videos. Okay. I think there's a part 2. If you guys enjoyed this, please smash the like button and subscribe. It will do me really appreciated. So let's go in here. Wait, what? Let's go in here. Oh, I want to buy a lucky coin. Oh, wait, I already got these 2. Okay, I want to see what the lucky coin does. What does it do? So what? We're gonna make it. Okay. I'm making a Twitch account. I already made it. So tomorrow I'm hoping to live stream. Please. Okay. So what's my username is crested. No, capital C crested _ capital G gamer. Or we're Specky Widows. I'm gonna see what this does. Okay. So there it is. Welcome to Specky Woods. Today your friends will have an amazing time exploring the wonderful of the forest. Okay, please can you hurry up? I want to see what this does. What are you waiting for? Unite when you know it. Come on, it's Roblox time. Yes, running. Oh, what's happening? Why is my screen turning dark? Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh, come some. Oh, what the? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is it? Stop. We're back. Wait, they respawned us? What? Okay, this one. Let's go. No, you don't have to wait so long. Yeah. Help you guys don't die. Are you that mean, girly? Why bullying me? Why bullying me? Bullies. Don't bully people. Not cool. Welcome to Specky Woods. You already read this, so I'm not gonna read it. You guys can read it. I'm gonna expect. I just changed it, okay? There's a campfire. There's a bag. In here, you can just close them and control people. Okay? I'm looking for Easter eggs. What's the back of you? Nothing. What are those two for? Let's go search. There's a rock right there. I'm hoping to find something. Kilo. Found a Rocky. Nothing else. What's up there? Oh, yeah, hello. Wait, who's this? Is this the girl? Hello. Who are you? I don't know, but I've never seen her before. Still nothing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. As we're still looking. In here? Nope. In here? I know. In here? I know. Camp, cave, and lake. There's a lake here? Wait, what? Let me see. There's like, why is there a lake here? Nothing? I already found an umbrella, but we got another one. I don't know, like shop for people. The umbrella. Oh, let's go over here. Perfect. Oh yeah, this is the lake. Oh. Okay, I see. That's more simple to me. Oh, it's my second face cam video, I guess. If you guys want a tutorial on how to put your face cam up, can you answer me in comments below? And yay, flashlight. Flashy flash. Yeah. Wait, what is it? Is that another thing? Oh, wait. No, you get it? Med kit. Oh my, we found so much stuff. Wait, is that the shed where that little kid thing was there? Okay, Bob, if you guys want to play with me, my name is Bob the Man 762. Sitting back and relax, telling camp. Wait, what? I can't read. Fire. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to run. So I'm gonna follow all these people. I have a flashlight and a medkit. Medkit 4. That's OP. Oh, he has a thingy. You guys want me to make a video on every single egg in Roblox 2020? You guys could. Oh, what the? Oh, what the? Wait, what did he say? Yeeted? I'm following you. If you make me die, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna put my umbrella on. Oh, thank you. Who are you? I'm gonna show you out. Running Girl 11. Okay, cool. Oh, we got that girl, got that person, got that person there. What was that thing? Nobody answering. Dude, what are you doing? Trying to die? You're trying to die? Person you know. Oh, it's beginning to rain. Return to the tent or seek someone. Seek shelter somewhere else. Yeah. That's cool. Are you guys trying to die? Wait, I don't see it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that much help if you're out there with the umbrella. It is that much help you lose going out there by one time. Oh, that's a big chunk. Yeah, if you're gonna run, you're gonna use this thingy. Because this kills down the damage by 50%. Pretty sure. Killing you. What? Stop. Oh, you guys, what? Why are you killing himself? Why are you killing yourself, dude? Why are you killing yourself? Right now for me it's 7:36, but when you probably uploaded by 8 or 9 Weston, I think. I'm not really good at stuff. Okay, I got medkit. I'm gonna use it. It didn't do anything. Okay. I'm not reading this stupid stuff. Okay, sandwiches are here. I think we're gonna need them later. Did anything else happen? Oh yeah, over here. Let's go walk with our umbrella. Hello, new guy with a thingy. I'm Park Ranger Daniel. We believe a bear has been killing off the deer population in the campgrounds. It has been a growing problem for us. Oh, I'm so sad. Not really sad. Okay. Coat. Wait. I think this guy is it. We plan the day around by nightfall. Okay. Nightfall. But wouldn't that kill us all? Look how realistic that deer looks. No. Okay, I do, are you gonna come? Can you help me? I'm poor. Let's go. Okay, Mr. First the 24th. Okay, got it. I mean, I want to use all these medkits, definitely not, yeah, I'm not gonna use them all. I'm gonna have to say one. Cause the sandwich is most likely. Can we begin running? It was fun. This is boring. Yes! Why holding a frog, you murderer? You animal catcher lady. Now I don't want to shout you out. Whoa. What are you saying? I can't read you. I can't still read.
Night is approaching.
Ooh. Okay. You decided to stay in the cave tonight. There's not enough room for everyone in one tent. Okay, I'm getting my umbrella out for speed run this, baby. I know we're gonna need some sandwiches. Whew. Stressful stuff. Are you ready, Ice Noob? This is a new nickname. You're Ice Noob. Oh, yep, you're not dying. If you go, you're dead. Can I protect him? Oh, definitely not you. You're the person who was trying to kill yourself. Nope, you're staying right here. No, you go. Be free. I'm not. Be free. I want you to be free. Come on. I think I'm doing it. Oh geez, actually not doing it. I'm dead with him. I need to run. No, I do not got this. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oh no. Save me, you guys. Oh wait. Ah. No. Ice Noob, go. Use some money. Please. Ice Noobie, come on. I know, yes, I believe in you, Ice Noobie. Seriously? Oh, he dead. He dead. Yeah, we're not gonna survive. You guys don't go because I'm scaredy and I don't have my life. I think I wanna go up here. What? I cannot go on my lamp. You know what? I'm gonna waste one more med kit. I'm gonna run. Okay. If I make it alive, we're gonna keep on doing this video. If I don't, I'm sorry, we're ending it. Running. Do. Yes. Can I make it? Can I make it? Maybe. Can I make it? No! Wait, I'm just gonna continue for you guys. It's pretty cheap. And I'm nice. Wait, now I'm just gonna run away. I'm just gonna go because I keep on doing it. So if you get to that, you wanna go, I think, go a little bit this way to reach it. Wait, no. Camp is this way. Yeah, I think we're gonna make it, guys. Yeah, I think I got it. Oh, wait, did I already get it? Oh, cave this way. Onward, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why I bought that 25 things. I made it, you guys. I sacrificed my life and then died and came back. Do not eat the sandwiches.
No, I don't want to eat this. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to die.
Enjoy some yummy sandwiches. Yeah, right. We're gonna all die from cancer. Yeah, I think I think they should have done this. Instead of poison, you can't, because that's what we're dying from. Ice Noobie, you didn't do anything for me. Why? Ice Noobie. Wait, I don't have the thingy. Oh, I don't want to be me. Please. Oh, no, I'm so sorry, Ice Noobie. I can't do it for you. Ice Noobie. And it comes float. Right, Ice Noobie. Snoopy. Didn't even eat it. That's how cruel the game is. Just kill people. Oh, hello. Hello. Can we continue, please? I got a whole entire YouTube video to go, and it's already getting pretty late. Oh, jeez. The storm has caused the cave entrance to collapse. Oh no, nothing really happened. Oh, here it is. Wee. Well, I think we need to get up in here. Oh, we need to find a new way out. Oh, seems loose. Oh yeah, I did it. Wait. Oh wait. What's that? I think that's the key. I sacrificed my own up. I'm gonna go and continue because. Oh wait, I'm still surviving. Well, I'm gonna. Oh shoot, Decapopia. We're at low battery. I'm sorry for the complaint. Oh jeez. Kapoppy. Oh no. You know what? We don't need to do that. I'm a hardcore player. I'm a hardcore player. I will do anything for my subscribers. Just kidding. I will do anything, but I need my chair. I'm lazy, and I need my chair. Alright, let's go. Oh, yes, you finally came. You guys are bullying me. Wait, we can't get out. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what's happening? What's happening? What? This game is broken. I'm not playing this game again. Oh, no. Can we go all? Oh, we can't go back. It's so cool. Wow, oh my goodness, seriously? I gave 25 Robux to just witness this? Oh jeez. Well, wait, no, what is it going to say? The sun is rising. Oh, we died. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please like and subscribe. Remember my like goals? Remember them. I'll see you soon. Bye.